What if the hardest part of launching an AI agent was completely unrelated to the AI itself? What if it was everything else? The hosting, the login system, the data storage, the whole invisible layer underneath. Google just connected two free tools, Antigravity and AI Studio. Together, they take you from a plain English description to a fully deployed live application. No terminal, no infrastructure setup, no developer required. Hey, welcome back. I'm Paul James. I help freelancers, consultants, and solo operators use free AI tools to compete with bigger agencies. No expensive platforms, no monthly fees for tools you don't actually need. And what Google just released here changes the math entirely for people running lean. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to the free prompts I use to turn AI tools like this into actual income. And no, I won't try and sell you go high level because there's free tools out there now that do the same thing just as good. Here is the conversation I hear constantly from freelancers. A client asks if you can build them something custom, a little AI-powered tool their team can sign into and actually work with. And your answer is either you need to hire a developer or you need an expensive platform. Either way, you are paying before you have earned a dollar. That is the real problem, not building the AI, building the product around the AI. The models are capable. The setup for a basic agent is fast. You can have something working in an afternoon, but the moment a real client needs secure access, data stored, services connected, everything changes. For a seasoned developer, that is weeks of work. For a solo operator trying to deliver fast, that wall ends the project cold. The idea was great, the AI was ready, but the infrastructure needed to make it real is where everything stalled. The distance between a functioning build and a live deployed product is where most AI projects die. And the frustrating part is, the AI quality is not the issue. Your idea quality is not the issue. It is purely a logistics problem, a plumbing problem, and until now, if you were working alone on a tight budget, there was no clean answer. Google just stepped directly into that gap. I call the approach behind this combination the deployment bridge method. What that means is you are no longer treating prototyping and deployment as two separate worlds. They no longer require two different skill sets. Instead, they connect. You build the intelligence, describe what you need, and the system handles the technical layer. The bridge between your idea and a live product is no longer a 6-week construction project. It is part of the workflow itself. That is the shift this integration actually represents. So let's get into how Antigravity and AI Studio actually work together. Google AI Studio is a free browser-based environment built for working with Gemini. Millions of developers already use it to test prompts and experiment with models. You can also feed it images, documents, and other inputs alongside your text. For years, it was the primary workspace for Gemini experimentation, but it was essentially a sandbox. You could explore all day, but making something publicly accessible meant going somewhere else entirely. That step alone was where a lot of projects just stalled out. Antigravity changes that completely. Antigravity is a standalone development environment from Google's DeepMind. It was announced in late 2024. Here is the key thing that makes it different. Standard AI coding tools help a developer write code faster. You are still the one doing the work. The AI assists. Antigravity flips that entirely. The agents take ownership of building the code. You set the direction, review what gets built, and give feedback when needed. It is a fundamentally different relationship with the tool. And for anyone building a service business, that distinction matters a lot. Here is where things get really interesting. Inside Antigravity, multiple agents work concurrently. One handles the visual interface. One manages the server logic. One takes care of the data layer. One runs tests. All four run in parallel. None waiting, none taking turns. Most people never realize this part. They assume it works like a normal back and forth. It does not. When something breaks, the agents find the issue and resolve it on their own. Reviewing the result is your job. Adjusting the direction is your job. Debugging is not. And now, with Google connecting AI Studio's build mode into Antigravity, your prototyping context transfers over automatically. Your configuration, your prompts, your setup. It all moves into the build environment intact. You do not re-enter a single thing. Stay with me because this is the part most people aren't talking about yet. The build mode inside AI Studio now includes a built-in authentication system tied to Firebase. Any application the agents produce can have a real user login without you touching auth code. There is also a built-in secrets manager that keeps your API keys locked down inside your project. External services like messaging tools, email platforms, and databases are all configurable from inside the interface. When you are ready to go live, you deploy to Google Cloud Run with a single click. You get a real HTTPS address and automatic scaling. Billing only activates when someone actually uses the app. Both tools are free to use right now. That combination, free prototyping, agent-powered building, managed cloud deployment, did not exist before this. Back when I was working out of my brother's garage, building anything serious felt overwhelming. Wrapping real infrastructure around a good idea seemed out of reach. I didn't have the technical background, I couldn't afford to hire someone who did. If infrastructure has ever made your idea feel out of reach, I genuinely understand that. Now let me talk about what this means for people building service businesses. If you are a freelancer or consultant offering AI-powered tools to clients, this changes things. It changes what you can actually deliver. Antigravity and AI Studio let you build and ship a full working product on your own. Picture offering a small law firm a client intake tool. It asks screening questions, stores answers securely, and sends a confirmation to new leads automatically. Or build a content scheduling assistant for a local restaurant. Their team logs in, submits weekly content ideas, and gets a formatted post calendar back. These are the kinds of tools businesses pay for. And before this, building something like that required either a developer or an expensive platform. You'd be paying recurring fees before you landed a single client. With Antigravity and AI Studio, you build it, deploy it, and hand the client a live link. You only pay for hosting once someone actually starts using it. For agency owners, this reshapes your project timelines. It also changes your pricing conversations entirely. Here is something the other videos on this tool are not talking about. Once you deploy something for a client using Antigravity and AI Studio, you own that relationship. You can maintain it, update it, and expand it monthly. That is a retainer. That is recurring revenue from a single afternoon of work. The tool does not just help you build faster, it creates a reason for clients to keep paying you. Here is the twist almost nobody mentions yet. Antigravity automatically pulls in professional interface components when it builds. What comes out does not look like an internal rough draft. It looks polished and intentional. Clean layout, smooth interactions, the kind of finish that makes clients trust what you handed them. That matters more than most people realize. When your deliverable looks complete, clients perceive higher value. And that perception directly affects what you can charge. For beginners who are just starting out without a technical background, this is the most important shift. You no longer need full stack development skills to offer something real. Describe what you want in plain English. Use Antigravity and AI Studio to build it. Hand a client something that works. That is a real competitive advantage. And right now, it costs nothing to get started. And listen, if you have not already dropped a like and commented below, do that now. I will reply with a link to the free prompts I use to turn tools like this into real income. Let me give you a concrete picture of how this plays out. Imagine a freelance operations consultant. Her clients keep asking her to set up a simple internal request system, something employees can log into, submit project requests, and check pending items. She has been turning that down for months. She assumed it required a developer and weeks of back and forth. She opens Google AI Studio and types out what she wants in plain English. She selects the build mode. The Antigravity agents get to work. Within a couple of hours, she has a fully deployed application. User login, request submission, a status tracker, clean professional styling. She deploys it to a live URL and emails her client the link. No servers to maintain, no monthly platform fee eating into her margin. That is a brand new service line she just unlocked. It cost her nothing but an afternoon. Picture what changes for your business once this becomes part of your regular workflow. Every client conversation where you used to say, "You can't build that," starts sounding different. Every idea you've shelved because you couldn't get it deployed has a new path forward. The technical barrier that used to separate idea people from product people is getting thinner every month. Antigravity and AI Studio are not just interesting tools. They represent a real shift in what a solo operator can actually deliver. Most people will read about this and keep scrolling. The ones who act on it early are the ones who build the edge. And right now, most people are still watching from the sidelines. The window to get ahead of this is wide open. Go use it. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to the free prompts I use to turn AI tools into actual income. And again, I won't try and sell you go high level, because there's free tools out there now that do the same thing just as good.